that's enough. Surely. Join me.
I think it might explode. Alright, get off it.
Oh. Wait, do I put this one down?
Yeah.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah. And then you get the peace bra.
Yeah. Why?
Start jumping.
Yeah, what the fuck? Conrad. And give me a peach right now.
Oh, don't even. You know the one where he holds the teddy bear? Walking like a bit of a...
Why you think? Why are you holding it like that?
Because I have...
Some sort of scan, but it stops speech from that.
Yeah. That's funny, please get out. Let's all get out. Yeah, great, weird. I watched it with Mum.
Now all you need is a ladder.
Should we tell a ghost story?
Boot surfing.
Huh?
Boot surfing.
Thank you.
Baby slept better last night.
With why? £10.
It's temporary.
I agree. Wait, this.
Oh god. You should stop filming. Lights up the sky.
He's giving Victorian era.
Victoria, it's
Old
school.
It actually could be the universe.
Oh my god,
Like looking at the sun. I'm not old, so.
Oh, which kid?
Nick down there some t-shirts. Look at that, Lawrence, there's a market.
There's a market.
That's where we're walking to, there's actually a market.
I don't know if there is a market, but it looks like there's a market. I'm gonna want when I go home, all I'm gonna want is an ice cream every day. Can I get pistachio and cookie dough?
Where are you having two? Is that where it is? Look, that's a hare, not a rabbit.
Why is he throwing seaweed?
Date anyone, but the perfect guy just came along. I'm like, bro, chill. And then she just kissed another guy the same. Food department really expensive, but it's just like. Wow.
Wow.
got another t-shirt.
It landed on my finger and now it's
Our face is very freckly, isn't it?